Batteries using lead antimony plates require gradual topping up with pure water to replace water lost due to electrolysis and evaporations. By changing the underlying elements to calcium, more recent designs have reduced the rate of water loss. But in this case, you can see the water level is under the lower level. That means after you recharged your battery, you can top up with water, but not standard water. It should be distilled water. This is important because in the distilled water that has been boiled into vapor and condensed back into liquid in a separate container. Impurities in the original water that do not boil below or near the boiling point of the water remain in the original container. This distilled water is one type of purified water. So here we are. This is distilled water, and we get a little bit of it in each area inside your battery. The battery is to top up to the upper level after you recharged it. This is important. I'm using for this about 5 or 6 milliliters of water to reach the upper level. It is important to reach on all cells. In each cell need water to reach the upper level. Here you can see on the left side, I top up 3 of the 6 cells. And on the right side, there's the lower level. And on the left side, there is the upper level reached. So get back and continue, get into distilled water until you reach the upper level. Do not come over, do not top up over the upper level. This is important because your battery may be boiled a little bit and then the acid and the water will spread out. This is not good. So here you can see, open the battery on the upper side, get a little bit water inside, distilled water, job's done. Every upper level cell is reached, and now we can reassemble or assemble this battery back in the host of your motorcycle. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.